So here's a peek at the blog manager in Builderall. You can see you got your title up here, date to publish. Here you put the author, categories, add your tags. You can add images and add video, schedule your blog for whatever time you like, make it preferred and stay on top. And then here's your HTML manager. This is a blog that I'm working on for my next post. And so you can see it's real nice, real easy to use. And that's just a quick peek at it for you. So if you want to give this a try, there's a 7-day free trial with the Builderall platform. Just use the link in the description right below this video. Have a great day.